And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down what is required to be a $1 million GCI earning estate agent in Australia. So this will be all the ingredients that you need to be thinking about to be able to reach that $1 million a year, to become $1 million gross commissionable income. So let's start. Now, we're going to make some assumptions because the property market is going to be varied depending on whereabouts you are an estate agent. It's going to be all over the place. So we're going to have to make some assumptions to be able to go through the numbers in this and make it make sense. But that's okay. These numbers are backed up by experience, so they're not too far from the truth. So to start with, we're going to need traffic sources. You're going to need to be able to get in front of potential sellers to be able to list their properties. Now, there are two general ways to do this. One is organic, the other is paid. So, organic is where you are going and creating content that then attracts the right type of audience to you, or you are reaching out, contacting people yourself. So that is organic. You're either creating something that attracts, or you're going out and reaching out yourself. The other one is paid. So you're either paying someone to reach out on your behalf, or you are running content through paid mediums such as advertising. So for this $1 million agent model or recipe, what we're going to use is organic traffic in the forms of Facebook Marketplace listings. We're going to use Google My Business reviews so that when people are searching for estate agents, you come up. And we're also going to be using Instagram for building a personal brand so people can connect and see a little bit more about you, your personality, your achievements, and reach out to find out more. So these are our organic traffic methods. There's 3 in total, and we're using Facebook, we're using Google, and we're using Instagram. The second is paid traffic. So with paid traffic, we're going to be getting buyer leads, and we're going to be getting this through house list and just listed advertising. This will build up our own brand awareness, but also help to sell our houses. Second is our seller ads, property appraisal ads. So for people interested to find out what their property is valued at. And lastly, we're going to be running retargeting ads to a video sales letter, which outlines the benefits of working for you. So in our funnel and our opportunity pipeline, we are going to have a video sales letter landing page with a short video of the agent speaking about their service, their offer, and the value that they provide. We're also going to match that up with SMS and email follow-up so that prospects are being fed value, but also are constantly having that opportunity to relate and connect with a professional agent to support them and to help them. So we're showing good customer service. We're showing our care and attention with appropriate, valuable information, or making it super convenient for that prospect to get that information that they need. So from there, see the ad, they click, or they see the organic post and they click through. They then see the offer or the video sales letter, what you offer as an agent. They then get SMS and emails that further highlight your difference and the value that you provide as an agent. The next is then the appointment setting systems. So we will be sending out SMS and email blasts monthly to re-engage with prospects that have died off or who are not yet interested. We will be matching that with follow-up procedures where agents will call and connect with that person and start to build a genuine human-to-human relationship using proven scripts. So professionals use scripts. Otherwise, you're winging it and you're leaving lots on the table. So proven scripts, a proven follow-up procedure with proven SMS and emails sent out monthly. Now, the newest member to this system is our AI appointment setter. So the AI appointment setter can set appointments using natural language via SMS chats, so they can book in on your calendar prospects from just chatting with them via SMS. This is using the latest AI from OpenAI, so billion-dollar tech company. We're able to harness their AI into our system to be able to respond and work with us just like we would any other appointment setter. And lastly, our sales strategy. So you're going to need a sales strategy that understands your prospects' psychology, their fundamental emotional needs. And you're going to want to be going and doing this in a way that maximizes your referral potential, but also in a way that allows you to piggyback from one customer to the others in the neighborhood. So you want to be presenting an integrated sales strategy that not only helps your clients, but helps your agency and helps your career as an estate agent, all at the highest levels. So no skimping, no dodgy work. This is all high level, high quality agent stuff. So these are the building blocks that you will need to be a $1 million agent. And this system is scalable. So you could start this out small and you can grow it from there. So you don't need all these pieces working together all at once. But you definitely are going to be implementing all of them by the end of it, right? So for example, if you're just starting out, then you're not going to have Facebook Marketplace post listing houses that are available because there just isn't going to be any. You're not selling any. Potentially you're selling your estate agency has other houses for sale, but someone else might be selling those and you might are not responsible for those. And so, doing that stuff for buyer ads may not be something that you are able to do straight away. Same with Google My Business reviews. Maybe you haven't worked with people to be able to get these reviews. So you might not be able to do Facebook Marketplace, you might not be able to do buyer ads and Google My Business at the beginning, but you definitely can do seller ads, you can do retargeting ads, and you can build up your personal brand on Instagram. You can have your video sales letter ready, and you can have your SMS follow-up, and all the rest of it can all be ready. So it would just be 3 of the 6 total traffic sources at the beginning. You might not be utilizing because they are more focused on buyer leads and at the beginning. And as you grow, sell leads. It's all about sell leads and getting those listings. So $1 million per year. Here's the assumptions that we had to make. Now, these assumptions are grounded in reality. They're not just plucked out of thin air. So let us just quickly run through some of these assumptions that we made to make this model a $1 million agent breakdown. So the average listing value, we're assuming that's about $800,000. We're also assuming that the real estate agency gets a commission of 2.5% on the sales price. So that leaves us with a $20,000 per listing commission going to the real estate agency. Now, to get $1 million in commissions, we're going to need to list 50 a year. So that is just over 4 listings a month. So basically, we're going to be needing to list 9 listings every 2 months on average, right? Or basically every 3 months, like 13 listings, right? So 4 listings and a bit each month. To be able to get 1 listing, we're going to need 5 on-site appraisals. So we're going to have a conversion rate of 20%. So for every 5 appraisals that we do in person, we're going to secure 1 listing for our agency. Now, the show-up rate for appraisals is going to be 60%. So it means that out of 5 appraisals that are booked, we're going to have 3 of them show up. So we must be scheduling in at least 8 a week or 32 a month to be able to get our 4.2 listings, or just over 4 a month. Okay, so out of the leads that we are generating online, 15% of them are going to turn into site appraisals. So if we need 32 a month, we need 32 site appraisal prospects a month, and only 15 of them are going to turn into site appraisals, then we're going to need 213 leads a month. Now, with an average cost per lead, again, depending on season, depending on location, is going to be between $15 and $30 a lead. So our monthly spend is going to be anywhere from about $3,200 to $6,400, which gives us an annual spend of around $40,000 to $80,000, just shy of $40,000 and $80,000. And if we have a commission split with our agency of 60-40, then that nets us 600,000 GCI. And that gives us a projected return on our ad spend of close to 8 to 15 return. So for every $1 invested, you're going to be getting around $8 back in your return on investment. So this is the breakdown of what $1 million Australian real estate agent's numbers would look like. It shows you the system, some of the tools that they would be using to generate these kind of numbers. But here it is. So if you are interested in being a $1 million real estate agent, then this is a system that you can follow. If you're already a $1 million real estate agent, then this is a system that can help you grow and scale as well. So there it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you have had a good one. If you have any questions, please let me know. Peace out.